it's Susan for Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be making the waistband for the Sylveon Gijinka costume. And we're going to be using Cut-Sew style number 13, their Fairy and Me pattern. And we're going to start by cutting the waistband pieces for the outer layer of the waistband, and we're going to apply some fusible interfacing to the backs of them. Then we're going to sew all of the interfaced waistband pieces together along their side seams. Next, we're going to take all of the waistband lining pieces and sew them together along the side seams. Next, we're going to take the lining and the outer part of the waistband, putting right sides together, and sew them together along the top and along the bottom, leaving the sides open. Fold the raw edges of the waistband inward and sew the end closed. And lastly, we're going to sew some Velcro onto the ends of the waistband so it can close. And with that, Sylveon's waistband is done. For more tutorials on how to make the rest of the costume, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.